Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. If your activities list is getting crowded with tasks, calls, and meetings, it's easy to miss urgent follow-ups, and it's frustrating to rebuild the same filters every day. In this video, you'll learn how to filter, sort, and manage activities in BoldDesk, and how to turn those filters into saved views your team can reuse in one click. If you're new to activities like tasks, calls, and meetings, check out the video linked in the card above and this video's description. To get started, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Activities module. Two types of activity views are supported. The grid view is the default view and displays activities in a structured tabular format. It displays key system fields along with any configured custom fields. The second is the Details view, which provides a centralized workspace showing all information, context, and actions for managing a single activity end-to-end. You can modify the default ticket view from your account settings by using the Change Default option. To modify the grid view layout, select the Columns option in the top right. From the list of available fields, select or clear the checkboxes for the fields you want to show or hide. You can also reorder columns by selecting the Reorder option at the top right. Click and drag the handles next to each field to your preferred location, and then click Apply. This controls how columns appear from left to right in your grid, perfect for putting your most important fields at the front for quicker visibility. If you make temporary changes and want to revert to default settings, use the Reset option at the top. You can sort the tickets by using the Sort option, which opens a drop-down menu. I want to quickly identify the high-priority activities, so I click the Priority column. This sorts the tickets in descending order, and clicking the Ascending option switches the tickets to ascending order. This change is user-specific and resets when you close or reopen the view. Next, let's look at filtering. You'll find the Filters option on the right side. Click it to open the Advanced Filter panel. Simply select your criteria from the drop-downs. For example, if I want to filter out high-priority activities that are open, I can set the status to Open and Priority to High and click Apply. Now, only the open high-priority activities are listed. You can save this view for later use. I click the Save As button, and in the dialog that opens, I set a descriptive name, choose a visibility, select the activity sort order, either ascending or descending, and click Save. The custom view now appears on the left, which can be accessed anytime. To make quick changes, edit the view filter again and click Save. Managing your views is simple. From the left side panel, select the view you want to edit. Click the More Options icon to open a context menu. Here, the Edit Setting option allows you to modify the general properties of the view, while the Edit Filter option modifies the conditions used to determine which activities appear in that view. If a view is no longer needed, you can use the Delete option to remove it. Clone creates an exact copy that you can modify independently. You can also add a view to your favorites for quick access. Note, however, that default activity views cannot be deleted or cloned. Administrators can collectively manage all these views from the activity views under the Views section in the Admin module. Here, all the activity views, both private and public, are listed along with details such as who owns each view. Activity views fall into two categories: System views and Custom views. System views are predefined by BoldDesk and available to all agents. They cannot be edited or deleted, but administrators can deactivate or reactivate them, making it easy to clean up cluttered view lists without permanently removing anything. Custom views, on the other hand, are created by agents and offer greater flexibility by granting control over who can see them and enabling agents to edit or delete the views as needed. Another important administrative function is the ability to change ownership of a custom view. Only the owner of a view can edit or delete it. This is especially useful when team roles shift or when the person who originally created the view is no longer responsible for it. That's how easy it is to organize your support activities with BoldDesk. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.